How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can simulate circuits in KiCad. So it's going to be extremely simple to do this. Basically, you could just head over to your schematics editor. Now it's going to be different if you're using something like the PCB editor. Just make sure that you're inside your schematics. And then you want to click on the inspect button. Now it's going to be this drop down menu, and then there will be this simulator window. So you want to click on it, and then it will open this up. Of course, you have the ability to modify the simulator window if you want to, but if you simply want to run the simulator off the get-go, you could just click on the run simulation or the R button, and basically from there it will now simulate our schematics right here. So you could see your splice command, your plot setup. You could just click on OK, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.